Hello, beautiful people. Are you having a problem with your watch hours? Are your watch hours reducing? Are you losing 90 watch hours, 80 watch hours, 100 watch hours, 45 watch hours towards your goal of monetization? Are you? Then come in and grab a seat, because today we're going to talk about it. Why this loss of watch hours? Yes, even you being monetized, are you losing watch hours? Oh yes, because be it monetized or not, you lose watch hours. You working towards your monetization, you lose watch hours. You already monetized, you lose watch hours. So yes, whatever way, you lose watch hours. And you want to know why? Come right in. Hi guys, so thank you for coming. Thank you for coming to Episode Tips family. Today we are going to talk something very pertinent. But before that, if you've not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe such that you will have notification like this. Please do well to like the video, leave a genuine comment, and if you're a returning subscriber, I want to tell you thank you and say I'm here for you. Always, I'm here for you. It's your girl, Episode Tips. So grab your seat. So actually, before I dive into why we lose watch hours, I'm gonna go straight to YouTube, like what you already know, the requirement, how to get into the YouTube partnership program, what you need, especially for those just coming in, because some of us will get into the YT street and we just hear about money. We don't know anything about YT. Yes. All you know about is you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. No, but if you go to watch what YouTube says about that, you're gonna listen. Let's read right there. It says minimum eligibility requirements to join YouTube monetization policy. First, you have to follow the YouTube monetization policies. Secondly, you have to live in a country or region where the YouTube partner program is available, and it says have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in less than 12 months. It says you have to have more than 1,000 subscribers and have a linked AdSense account. Yes, you have to have 4,000 public watch hours, but not only public, you have to have 4,000 valid public watch hours. We're gonna get back to that. IT came up with a YouTube partner program checklist. Yes, before you get monetized, you have to like fit into those checklists, but it's not like you have to be there like step 1, step 2, step 3. It's just a guideline on how to work with this YouTube partner program. Okay, so I'm gonna bring out the checklist, so we should all read it out. First point on the checklist says make sure your channel follows our policies and guidelines. When you apply, you go through a standard review process to check if your channel meets our policies and guidelines, blah blah blah. Yes, it's very important. Yes, it's very important. You need to, if you've been live streaming, I'm sure you might have gotten to a stage where you were told that this video has been taken away because you went against YouTube community policies. So yes, YouTube has so many policies. Your channel has to fit. It has to follow those guidelines. It has to meet. If not, you will not be accepted into the YouTube partnership program. The second point on our checklist says have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours. Yes, we come again. 4,000 valid public watch hours. If you notice, it's not like how we say it on the street. You need 4,000 watch hours. No, 4,000 public watch hours. No, it's 4,000 valid public watch hours. Yes, like I said, if you want to know what is 4,000 valid public watch hours, do wait till the end of this video and you're gonna know. I'm gonna tell you what it means. Yes, what's the difference between a public watch hour and a valid public watch hours? Yes, because no, not all public watch hours are considered valid and it's okay for monetization. So do well to stay with us while we talk about this. Third point says sign YouTube partnership program terms. Yes, when you get to that 4,000 watch hours, you get there and you have your 1,000 bananas, you have to apply for monetization. Yes, within 12 months, we all know that. Click, 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 click. Yes, we know of it. But okay, once you sign the terms, we'll make this step with a green done. Sign on the review partner program terms card. Yes. People are wondering, I know if you've not gotten monetized, your question is, what do they actually do? How is it like to apply? And you're eager every day when you go to check your 4,000 valid public watch hours and your 1,000 bananas. You're like, when they apply, how is it like? Yes, I was curious that much. Yes, I myself, I was that curious, and I was like, how is it? I want to know how it is. Yes, we all have that curiosity in us. So yes, I'm telling you. When you get there, that is what will be done. I will make a video on what actually is entitled when they say apply and what you should do about the Google AdSense and all the like. Yes, I'm going to make a video about that. So when you apply and sign in to the partnership program and you apply that you want to be monetized, yes, and the first step, they say done. Yes, now comes the Google AdSense account. I never had one. I never had one until I applied and they told me I had to create one if I don't have. Yes, and he has to take you some ass and everything will be fine. Yes, I took all my time. I said, okay, take your time, Whitey. I've been on the street, I've been hustling, I've been having backache, so it's not few hours that's gonna disturb me. So another issue that at times we ask ourselves, we see people with 3 channels, we see people with 4 channels, we see people, yes, all those people have one Google AdSense account. You meet some people at their young stage, they'll start having 1,000 euros as salary for YouTube for 1 month. Yes, those people at times they have 3 accounts, they have 3 channels that all their money are being paid in one Google AdSense account. So whether you have 10 channels, you have 4, you have 2, you have 1, you are going to have just one Google AdSense account. The next important point on our checklist is that when you have actually applied for monetization and everything suits the first stage and they give you that green done on it, you go to the second step, that is creating your Google AdSense account. And after everything is created and everything is fine, they'll give you another sweet green done, and you move now to the review part. So people are like, what do they review? How do they review? And all the like. This is the third point. This is the next point on our checklist. Yes, that's the next point on our checklist. And listen to what Google have to say about the review. Google says, gets reviewed once you sign in the YouTube partner program terms. They connect an AdSense account. Your channel will automatically be put in a review queue. Our automated system and human reviewers will then review your channel content to check if it follows all of our guidelines. You can check your application status anytime at the link below. Yes. So that's what happened. Actually, we have human reviewers that also review your channel. It's not only the machine. So be careful with the content you create. Be careful with the copy and paste videos you do. Do not want to face the wrath of copyright. Yes, be it copyright claim or copyright strike. Do not want to face the wrath. Neither would you want to be punished for 30 days because of reused content. So you have to make sure you actually create your content. And even when you take this content from other social media platforms, do well to spice it up. I believe you have a sweet mouth. Yes, we all have sweet mouths, because if you're on the whitey street, you're hunting for bananas and you're doing all of that, you have a sweet mouth. Because at one point in time, you have to talk, especially if you're making LS. Oh yes, you have sweet mouth. So use those sweet mouths of yours to actually redesign the content you copied from another platform and make it yours. To not face the wrath of reuse content, guys. If you're as curious like me, like what they go on the review, when your channel is on the review, what do they actually review? Oh god, I was damn curious, and I'm gonna make a video about that. So if you've not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe. Do not forget to click on the notification bell, so when I make a video about that, you will be notified and you will gladly rush to know what's happening, what goes on when they put your channel under review. But before that, when you actually apply for monetization and you are granted, here is what Whitey sends to you, or here is what Whitey says. If you are accepted into YPP, yes, YPP means YouTube Partnership Program. Congratulations! You can now set up ads preferences and enable monetizations on your uploads. Yes, that is what Whitey has to tell you. That's what Whitey sends to you. And when you are rejected, they still send you a message. That's one thing I love about Whitey. Anything that is not moving sweet, they'll send you a message so that you know where you're hurting. Even when they start giving you copyright claims, copyright strike, they notify you, abi. When they tell you say your video, you know they under, or you know they follow YouTube partnership policies or YouTube community policies, they send you a message. Yes, that's what I like about them. So when they reject you, they have this to say. If rejected from the YPP, our reviewers find that a significant portion of your channel does not meet our policies and guidelines, you can reapply 30 days after your rejections. Oh yes, for tips on how to strengthen your application, you have to check that. Yes, that's what they do. They actually give you another chance of after 30 days to actually come again and reapply. They give you those 30 days for you to rebrand your channel, for you to sit and think what is going on. Is it reused content, or is it that my channels, my videos are not okay, my uploads are not okay? What is going on? You have 30 days to review. I know it's painful, but yes, they're giving you 30 days. They're giving you a second chance. And they're even giving you a place where you can actually go to strengthen your channels. Okay? So that's what Whitey has to tell you about. So we're going to dive in directly to what are valid public watch hours. Curious, like everybody's complaining. I am doing this. I am doing that. I am on this Buddhist list, playlist, or whatsoever. I am doing that. Yet, my hours are not moving, or my hours are reducing. And I'm like, but what the hell is happening? Because we all are doing it right. We are trying our best to do things correctly. So what is the essence of all the stress? If at the end of the day, you will not have the positive effects or the positive feedbacks you are expecting. And I was curious, like, really, what's happening? And I got to get this, that there is a difference between public watch hours and valid public watch hours. So yes, guys, let's get to hear what Whitey says about what is valid public watch hour. It says, not all watch hours counts towards the YouTube Partner Program threshold. What counts as a valid public watch hour? Yeah, it says watch hours gained from videos you've set public. And when I ask, okay, fine, we all set our videos public, right? And I get watch hours gained through the following types of videos do not count towards the YPP threshold. And I will say, yes, okay, fine, watch. It says private videos do not count. Oh, yes, we all know about that. That is very serious. It's okay. They say unlisted videos. Oh, yes. Unlisted videos do not count. Fine. The next one is a deleted video. So that it's not advisable to delete your videos. Yes, it's not advisable to delete your video even after monetization. No, I won't delete. I prefer to set. I don't even know how I'm going to do it. Yes, let me even turn off the comment section. Let it be there, but I'm not deleting anything. Okay. So they say true view campaigns. Yes. Yes, what is true view campaigns? We'll talk about it in our next video. So guys, you have to understand. So there is a difference between valid public watch hours and public watch hours. Yeah. We have placed our videos on unlisted. And we've gotten views and people have been watching. Those hours do not count. Especially if you're working towards your monetization, it does not count. Yes, I know what to upload. I want everything to be okay. Even set it on private. I prefer you to set your video on private until you know everything is fine before you independent before you set it to public. Do not set it on unlisted, because yes, some few set of people will view. Okay, but those watch hours do not count because it's not a valid public watch hours. So guys, here we'll round up my video. If you were thinking like your public watch hour is reducing, yes, I'm telling you now, because there is a difference between valid public watch hours and watch hours. So if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do also subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, so whenever we want to talk about what your videos go, or your channels go on, like a review, you'll be notified when I make a video about what they actually review in your channel. You'll be notified when I want to talk about the types of video. Yes, because I know there are people that are curious, like unlisted, private. Yes, I will talk about it. So do well to turn on the notification bell. Yes, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Do leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any worry or any question, do leave it on the comment section and I'll answer you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. Ciao.